Hello, Word. Welcome back to another episode where we explore the wonderful world of English, one word at a time. I'm your host, Alex, and today we're diving into a very common and useful word, cannot. This is an A1 level modal verb, meaning unable to do something. So what does cannot really mean? Simply put, it means you don't have the ability or permission to do something. It's a way of expressing impossibility or prohibition. We use cannot to say that something is not possible. It's a contraction of cannot, but it's almost always written as one word, cannot. Think of it as a strong way to say not able to. Now, let's look at some synonyms. One synonym for cannot is unable. For example, instead of saying I cannot swim, you could say I am unable to swim. Both sentences convey the same meaning. You lack the skill or ability to swim. Another synonym is can't, which is a contraction of cannot. It's more informal, so you might use it with friends and family. For instance, I can't believe it means the same as I cannot believe it. Another word with a similar meaning is incapable. It emphasizes a lack of capability. The old machine was incapable of performing the new task. Let's look at some examples with these synonyms. She is unable to attend the meeting because she is sick. He can't find his keys anywhere. We are unable to process your request at this time. Remember, while these words are similar, they have slightly different nuances. Cannot is a general statement of impossibility. Unable often implies a reason or circumstance preventing something, and can't is the informal contraction. Now, let's explore some antonyms. Antonyms are words with opposite meanings. The primary antonym of cannot is can. Can indicates ability or possibility. For example, if you cannot speak Spanish, the opposite is that you can speak Spanish. Another antonym is able. If you are unable to do something, the opposite is that you are able to do it. And of course, a slightly more formal opposite would be capable. Now for examples using the antonyms. I can play the piano. She is able to solve the problem. He is capable of handling the situation.
We can help you with that.
They are able to finish the project on time. See how these sentences express the opposite of impossibility. Now let's explore how cannot is used in everyday life. You might hear it used when someone is explaining why they cannot accept an invitation. I cannot make it to your party because I have another commitment. Or it might be used to express a lack of understanding. I cannot understand what you are saying. It's also often used to express rules or restrictions. You cannot smoke in this building. Here are some more usage examples of cannot in sentences and phrases. We cannot allow this. They cannot see us. She cannot drive a car. He cannot come to the phone right now. I cannot stress this enough. You cannot be serious. We cannot predict the future. They cannot deny the evidence. She cannot remember her password. He cannot help but laugh. I cannot thank you enough. You cannot miss it. We cannot wait. They cannot stop us. So, to summarize, cannot is an A1 level modal verb that means unable to do something. Its synonyms include unable and can't, and its antonyms include can and able. It's a fundamental word for expressing impossibility or prohibition in English. Thank you for joining me on Hello, Word. I hope you found this episode helpful. If you enjoyed learning about the word cannot, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others discover the show. And now for a little challenge. I encourage you to create your own sentence using the word cannot and share it in the comments below this episode. I look forward to reading them. Until next time, keep exploring the world of words.